You may have downloaded an app outside the App Store and you want your device to trust it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to trust an app on iOS 16. Without further ado, let's get started. So for example, you have downloaded an app and you want your device to trust it so that you'll be able to use it on your iPhone. So what you're going to do is to go to your settings. And from here, it usually says profile downloaded right here or something like that. But if you don't see that, you can go to general and then scroll down a bit and click on VPN and device management. So tap on that and the downloaded app or profile or something like that should appear on this page. So for example, I have this one right here. You can tap on that and then you can read some details about it and then just click on install right here. And then it will ask you to enter your passcode on your phone. So I'm just going to do that. And then you can click on install right here. And just wait for our device to install that. And it might take you to a certain website. And then that certain app might give you further instructions to have it really installed on your iPhone. So it might require payments or something like that. But that is basically the process on how to trust an app on iOS 16. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.